Hello, good people. Welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to show you something that really, I think, somewhat helpful for the developers, and it will help us to save our time. That is how we can take backup our existing database within just few seconds. So we can do it definitely with the help of a package which is called Django Postgres backup. So this is the thing that's going to help us. So first come to this link. I'll attach this link here in this video, and then copy, and then go to the terminal and install it. So I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install once again. So after successful installation, what you have to do is just add this thing in installed apps at the bottom of this I think array or list, and once you add it, then we are done and ready to use. So then what you have to do to take backup of our existing database, we have to go once again here and just copy this thing and it once again paste in the current directory of the project. So my project is under app.backend, right? So I'm in app.backend, just paste it and it will paste and enter, it will take the backup. So I've already took the backup, so I'm not going to run it. Okay, so then once you run it, then you will see something like this directory with the name of backup folder, and under this backup folder directory you will see the backup file. Okay, then what you next? So let's have it let's check whether it works or not. So I have already my own database linked up Uttara Square. I'm going to delete it. Yeah, I delete it, and then go to our interface. You will see it will not work, right? It's not working. Again, the code base, you can see an error which called that Uttara Square, the database does not exist. So that's pretty good. So I'm going to recreate this database once again. Square, save, and then Control S here. You can see migrations error, warning, I think not error, because we didn't migrate yet. So as we are going to restore our existing database, you don't need to migrate. Okay, so to restore the existing file or database, we have to run this command. Go here, come and paste it. I have already I already have a backup file, so that's why it's, and this error you can see, this is nothing to be worried. Clear the terminal and go to the site. You can see all the data come back perfectly working, and there is no migration related warning here because we have already restored our existing database. So after restoring the database, if you add any new field in the models of your application, you definitely have to run make migration command, definitely. But once you just restore, I think you don't need to run this thing. So I think this video will help you to save your time and hassle and reduce your hassle, I think. Thank you very much for watching my video. Stay connected with me. I'm getting very less time. In future I'm going to give more technical videos on different part like deployment, how to configure ng server and other things. So stay connected. Thank you.